Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this. If you've ever had a Delta faucet or this style, get all this gunk all around in here and then all up in here and you just can't get it out. It's actually real simple, guys. Look, you just need a little tool, maybe a toothpick, maybe something a little stronger. There's these two little tabs, and if they did you right and put it in the right way, you can get something in there and you just sorry, I was wiggling. You get it in there, you very gently pry it up. If you can't get that side, you come to this side. You just find a little hole there and you just pull it up some. Up, and then if you do it gently, gently, she'll pop. She comes loose. What have you got? Got one of them Phillips head screws. Phillips head, okay. We call them Phillips heads. And then boom, boom, boom. And then you can gently wiggle it out, and then boom. And then now what have you got? Don't lose the screw. And then you can clean this baby. Look, I mean, sparkle like a jewel. This thing here will get stuff on the back of it, so it's hard to clean the inside back of that. And you might need your tool right here in the grooves. But there you go, guys. Make it sparkle.